Welcome to this technical guide on the KitchenAid. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your KitchenAid can't mix anymore, you might be facing a motor failure. This can occur due to wear and tear over time or if the mixer has been overloaded. If not addressed promptly, you could end up with a completely non-functional mixer, which can be quite inconvenient when you're in the middle of baking or cooking. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor for your KitchenAid model, a pair of pliers, and some electrical tape. First, ensure your KitchenAid is unplugged from the power source to avoid any accidents. Carefully turn the mixer upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the base in place. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the base is off, locate the motor. It's typically situated at the center of the mixer. You might notice some wires connected to it. Take a moment to carefully disconnect these wires. Be gentle to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, using the pliers, carefully remove any additional screws that are securing the motor in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the motor out from its housing. Take your new motor and place it in the same position where the old one was. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Now, reconnect the wires, ensuring they are in the correct positions as before. After everything is secured, place the base back onto the mixer and replace the screws you took out at the start. Make sure everything is tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. Once you've put everything back together, plug in the mixer and turn it on to test if it's working properly. If it mixes as it should, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor. To prevent this issue from happening again, try to avoid overloading your KitchenAid and have it serviced regularly to ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.